So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Concepts by Snigdha. Today in this video, this is the third video of this Space Edition series. Over here I'm going to teach you how to draw the lunar eclipse, along with that what it is about. Okay, as in the previous video about solar eclipse, if you don't know or haven't seen, check the description given below for the video. Okay, so now lunar eclipse over here, it's similar, it's like in the same phase of eclipses. What happens over here? A heavenly body casts shadow on the other. So over here what happens? The earth comes in between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the moon. So first of all, over here the order is sun, earth, then moon. Let's start drawing. But before that, you need things, that is again the same thing: scale, pencil, colors, of course, like eraser you needed it, your compass box, and your some colors for marking. Okay, so let's start drawing. Now again we'll take the same imaginary line over here, a small like a light imaginary line, because this line is not required so much. So draw this line over here. Okay, this line is going to be erased later, so just draw this line and then put dots. Okay, over here just put the dot for sun. Okay, then put the dot in the center, you put the dot for your earth. Okay, over here put a dot for your moon. So let's start now drawing the circles over here. The sun is a bigger circle, moon, the earth is little slighter, smaller than this, and the moon is the smallest one over here. If you want measurements, you can just take the measurement as 6 and like 5 centimeter like diameter. Over here 3, over here 1 or 2 centimeter. Okay, it depends upon you how much you want to take. So let's draw it and then I'll meet you. So now as you can see, I have drawn the sun, the earth and the moon. Over here try to draw the moon a little bit smaller, because it will be easy for us to show the umbra and the penumbra portion. Okay, with the sun I have outlined with orange, but if you don't want to color it, it's not a problem with it. Okay, so now we're going to just put the lines for the lit portion, the unlit portion. You can see over here center of the circle. That is the reason why I use a rounder, because it's easy to make the unlit and the lit portion. Okay, draw a line over here. Sorry, it's not passing through the center of the circle. Draw a line over here to show the unlit portion and the lit portion. Okay, you can see over here, this is the line that separates the lit portion. Lit portion का मतलब क्या है? The side facing the sun is called as a lit portion, and side not facing the sun is called as the unlit portion. Okay, so now same for moon also over here. We'll just draw over here a moon over here. Okay, this is the moon. So now let's start drawing the lines. Okay, as you all know, we'll draw first of all the lines that are touching the surface. Okay, so this is the line, first line. Draw imaginary line, because just later you're going to just color it. Okay, now touch the over here and then draw. Okay, you can see we're just touching it and then drawing it. Okay, so this is the umbra portion. ये हमारा umbra portion है, आपको दिख रहा है, ये वाला हमारा umbra portion है, which means earth का entire shadow यहाँ पे moon के ऊपर गिर रहा है. This portion is the umbra portion. Okay, then we'll draw the penumbra portion. Penumbra portion is all intersecting lines. Okay, let us do right now. Okay, it's going to go like this. Then over here. Okay, this is the penumbra. You can see the lines are intersecting. Yes or no? Like it is easier than the solar eclipse. Okay, but difficult. No, it's not difficult actually. If you know the trick, it's very easy to draw these heavenly bodies. Okay, you can see. So I have this is the penumbra portion. This is the umbra portion. Okay, which means over here the moon. In this place, if the moon is there, the moon is not visible to Earth. So now let us put the arrows over here. Okay. So now I'm going to draw the lines with the help of my color pen. Okay, if you want, you can just, if you don't want to like draw the lines with the color pen, not a problem. You can do it with the pencil. If you don't want to color, if you're not a fan of coloring, you can just do it with your your pencil. Okay, यहाँ तक हम लोग लेंगे. Then over here, same thing. Draw the lines with the color if you want to color it. Okay. You can see over here, I'm just drawing the lines over here. I'm not going to just extend the lines like beyond the earth, because that is a shadow. वहाँ पे shadow आएगा, इसलिए हम लोग वहाँ पे extend नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है? So now let's complete it. So this is how you should look right now. Okay, we're going to continue with the shadow lines right now. Okay, but with the help of a marker. So now voila. So I have already like drawn the major lines over here. So we are going to color all the rest. If you don't want to color it, okay, just highlight the earth. और आपको मून को हाईलाइट करना है. अगर आपको कलर करना है, then it will look somewhat like this. Let me color it out. You can see it. Okay. So everyone, it should look something like this. Okay, so this is the entire lunar eclipse, but the most important thing in lunar eclipse is actually you have to show the orbit of the moon, because by showing the orbit of the moon you can actually make others like it will be very clear about that kahan pe moon jayega in the entire eclipse. Okay, so everyone, let us draw a circle over here. I'm going to show you right now. So now take the center of the earth and center of the moon. Okay, you can see, and then draw the moon's orbit of the moon. Why I'm saying this to draw the orbit of the moon? Because it is easy to understand. Okay, ये आपका moon का orbit है. Okay, so what happens over here? So let us just draw the orbit with the help of your pen. Just make a dotted line over here. The reason why it is important for you to do it, because by that you can know the position of the moon during the eclipse. Okay, just draw the lines over here like this. Okay, this is the orbit of the moon around the earth. So by drawing the orbit of the moon, we can properly explain that when the moon is over here in this portion, it is the umbra portion. Okay, in this portion. So what happens in this portion? When the moon is in this portion, so what will happen? The moon is not entirely visible by the earth. अर्थ के लोग यहाँ पे जो रहते हैं वो मून को नहीं देख पाते. Why is it red? Because the sunlight is made up of 7 colors and red is the most most denser or having a large wavelength, okay, or denser color. So that is absorbed by the moon and the rest colors all scattered away, okay, because उनका wavelength कम होता है, या फिर in layman terms अगर हम बोले तो वो dense colors नहीं होते. So the red color is absorbed by the red color is taken by the moon and reflected back. So in case of lunar moon, where there is a complete lunar eclipse, वहाँ पे हमारा moon red दिखता है. But slowly when it moves up over here, so what will happen? The moon will be partially visible. So this area are called as the penumbra portion. Over here the moon is partially visible to the people living on the earth. Okay. So now let us label it out now. Again, use your marker. Okay. This is the what? This is the moon's orbit. MOON''S orbit. Okay, this is your earth. This is your earth. Okay, now this is your red moon. Let us just take a scale and draw it out. Okay, otherwise it will be like this is your moon. Okay, this is the umbra region. Umbra, where it is also called as the complete lunar eclipse. Okay, this is called as the penumbra region. I'm just going to draw it over here, then it's better to draw it over here. It is penumbra region, PENUMBRA. So penumbra region, where we receive or where we experience the partial lunar eclipse. Okay, और ये तो हमारा mighty the sun, SUN, sun. So the entire thing is over. If you want to color it, you can do it in this way. If you don't want to color it, you can just leave it. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you liked it. Okay, and if you're having any doubts, just put questions in the comment box. So with this, I'm going to end today's session. See you in the next video. Bye bye.